Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a speed bake indicator light on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the light is burned out, or because when you turn the switch on, the light doesn't come on. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do is turn our range around. So now we have to take this back panel off. In order to do that, we've got 6 screws that are holding it in, 1 on each corner, and then in the middle on the top and bottom. And now that we've got all of those unscrewed, we're just going to pull the panel up so that the tab comes out of there, and we can set it off to the side. So right here is the piece for our speed bake indicator light. So in order to get it out, we're just going to have to unplug these wires first. So what I'm going to do first is there's a groove on this side with a hole in it, and what you need to do is just pull that light switch that way in order to get the light out of the way, and then you can unplug it. And if it's a little difficult, you just use a flathead screwdriver and pry that wire down in order to get it off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement speed bake light. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. On this side of the light, so what you're going to want to do is with this V-shape, you're going to push that until the light lens locks into place up at that brown part up there in the middle. So just like this, and then you'll hear it click into place, and now we can reattach the wires. So now I'm going to put our back panel back on, and what I'm going to do is with the middle segmented panel right here, that's going to go behind everything, and then that rests on top there, and then I'll line up our screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, you can start screwing back in. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and our repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.